Welcome back to my channel. Guys, I didn't know you were going to be here. Wow, I'm Mr. Rogers now. I'm like talking to the camera like Mr. Rogers. Welcome back to my channel. Today, I don't exactly know what I'm going to be doing. As most of my videos, I just go with the flow and usually name the video kind of after I film it, and whatever title fits it. Let's get into it. So after thinking a couple minutes, I think I've come up with the idea of just doing a basic get ready with me right now to go Christmas shopping. So right now I'm just gonna start off and just do my eyebrows. Today's just gonna be a get ready with me. So like I said, it's not gonna be a lot of instruction as I say that, and as I go on, it will probably become like an instructional video on how to do something, because that's what happened with my brush review last time. I was sitting there doing the brush review and I was like, guys, this is not gonna be like a tutorial or anything, and then it like low-key ended up being a tutorial. I've not went out yet in public with like makeup on here in Tallahassee, so like I kind of might just go to like a Sephora, or I might go to like the Ulta or Riley Rose or something at the mall. So even though I went yesterday, I kind of want to go just to go with makeup on, because Tallahassee needs to be exposed to makeup on men, you know, just low-key they kind of do. So I might just end up doing that. But today I've got to finish doing my studying for my music history exam that's on Wednesday. This is probably the earliest I've ever filmed a video. Girl, did you hear that burp? Because I usually film videos late at night and then I end up just taking off my makeup. But I literally like took a shower and then like shaved, what a concept, you know. And then I'm coming here to film a video with you guys. There's always one eyebrow that is so much easier to do, and it's always this one. So those are pretty even. So I'll probably just use my Wet n Wild Photo Focus Concealer, just because I ain't wanting to look for it for like 20 minutes. So I haven't used this concealer in a while, so I don't know why I haven't. I don't know if there was a reason why I haven't, and I've just been leaning towards the others. But we will find out today, won't we? Yeah, so I don't know how I'm going to be exactly perceived when I walk out this door, but I don't really care. I do, but I don't. When people say I don't really care, like, I feel like they kind of do. Like, I feel like everyone cares to an extent, but like, that's just the way we're kind of conditioned as humans. It's the way you handle how you're perceived. Like, who cares, you know what I mean? How what they think of you. What matters is what you think and how you feel. Have you guys been watching, or did you guys ever get into John McClane? He is a beauty guru here on YouTube, but he hasn't posted in a while. And I'm literally going to tweet at him and be like, John McClane, like, I miss your videos so much. I don't know what kind of look I'm going to go into today. I'm not going to do like a really colorful look, because one, I'm not in the mood for it, and two, I don't think Tallahassee could handle that right now. I think I'm going to kind of keep it just in the neutral families today, and just put like a really nice shimmer or pop on the lid. So what I think I'm going to go in with is obviously the James Charles palette that I use every time, and then I'm going to go in the shade Tune. This one right here, it's like this camel yellow. I'm going to go in with that and then just kind of put it all through my crease with the brush that I got from Walmart. If you want to know my thoughts on this, obviously they're good because I'm still using them, but if you want to watch the video dedicated to the review, then I'll link it in the bio. So I'm just really brushing that through. I'm really excited about Christmas break because I really need a break. I've literally been performing basically nonstop since I've been here at FSU, which I'm very thankful for the opportunities. But it's just like, oh my goodness gracious, play. So by the time this video goes up, this video is going to go up on Thursday. I'm going to edit it today and then put it up on Thursday. Schedule it to go up on Thursday, but by the time this goes up, I'll be done with my finals, because my last final's on Wednesday. Mama will be a free bird. I went shopping like with my friend Bella last week at Walmart, and literally we go to Walmart and she buys a Christmas tree for her apartment, but then she was just like, you should buy a Christmas tree, it's Christmas time, blah blah blah, and I'm like, oh, fine. And so I go to buy one, and then I end up seeing this brush set from Walmart instead, so I end up just buying that instead of the tree. Take a trip down candy cane lane with me. So now, see, I about told you what I was going to do. I'm just going to tell you. I'm going in with Code James and then just going in and then just packing it and then putting it through my crease. I'm going for a more natural bronzy kind of situation today. I'm just keeping it quite neutral. I kind of really want to do a halo cut crease. Like a halo eye. It just kind of goes along with the Christmas angel cherub kind of vibe that we're all into. Where are you, Christmas? Do you remember? Oh my god, that song reminded me. So like I was telling you guys of the gig that I did. I gigged 2 times this month, and one of them was with the Tallahassee chorus, which is in like collaboration with the Tallahassee Symphony Orchestra, which was really fun and really rewarding. And then the other one was like kind of on the complete opposite spectrum, and it was with like kind of a church, and it was so fun because even though it was like an amateur group, which I live for, an amateur group is really nice, I feel like, for rekindling your like passion and making you remember why you're doing it. All of that to say, I was doing this Christmas gig at this church, at the amateur gig thing, and loved it. There was this one singer that was singing, I can't remember what song it was, and it was like a little solo, and when she was singing, there were a lot of leaps in the melody, so when she sung, it was just like, it just reminded, I can't remember the words, but it reminded me of the little girl singing in The Grinch when she was like, where are you, Christmas? It's so funny, and like she started singing, and I like was just like, wow, like I really felt like I was in The Grinch. As I keep doing my makeup, I realize how fucking uneven my eyebrows are, so apologies. Like, they are whack today. Are you guys going home for Christmas? Because I know a lot of college kids, like, they'll go home, but some, like, depending on where you live and how long it'll take to get back to your hometown, a lot of people just end up staying. I'll be home for Christmas. You know, to be honest, I think the last time I've done a halo eye was in the video where I go to Times Square with Alex, which is like a long time because that was in the spring. Okay, so what I'm going to do is take the shade ring light and just put it on my finger and then just put it on the middle. So I really like how this eye look turned out. It's really nice and it's a cool halo eye. What we're going to do now, or what I'm going to end up doing, is now that I have that done, I'm going to do my winged eyeliner. Like, I'm not going to be talking during this, so I'm literally just going to turn off the camera and I will see you guys in like 2 seconds. Okay guys, so I am back. I did my wings off camera, like I said, because it would just be, it took like 10 minutes to do these 2 wings. And they turned out pretty symmetrical, and I really like doing my wings a little thinner lately because it really keeps my eye open and doesn't close it. I guess now I'm just going to go on with foundation. My friend Bella just messaged me and asked if I was busy, and I told her I'm making a video and I'm going to go to Ulta after this to flaunt my makeup. So if she wants to go, I invited her. To all the YouTube community bloggers that blog their daily lives, like, it's a lot of work. And I just don't like the idea of like filming everything that I do. Not because it's just so like secretive, but it's just like it's kind of draining to me. So I can understand why people kind of get drained from it, which is like one of my favorite like daily vlog channels that used to be daily vlog channels, they're not anymore, was the Shep 689 channel. It's they're not together anymore, I think they divorced, but it was RJ and somebody, I forgot his name, but those 2 guys were literally so, I loved watching their videos, their daily vlogs. They would post a video every day, which is pretty crazy. I always have to put more foundation on my forehead and anywhere else on my face because I have so many freckles. Don't forget to bring it down on your neck. Lately, I've been doing a lot of yoga, which is really nice because yoga really relaxes me. We all need things to help us stay grounded and whatnot when we're really stressed out with school, work, life in general, whatever it may be. So I started doing it and it's just really nice, and I'm like, oh my god, like people actually know what they're talking about. Like, what a concept. It really just helps come down from the stress of the day and whatnot, and then allow you to sleep really well. Okay, I'm looking very nice and even at the moment. Like, where do these little things come from? Do you see them? Like little black fur pieces. So I have my concealer on and all that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my Fit Me concealer and shake that and go in with my sponge and take some and place natural essence here, natural essence. I have no idea what accent that was. I felt like it was a Valley girl. Like post-verbal just has to answer with like sounds like you know, stuff like that. I felt like it was a Valley girl. So now I'm gonna do some contour. Ever since I got these brushes, these new brushes from Walmart, I'm really liking them. I feel like they've taken up my makeup, especially like contour and bronzer and stuff, to the next level. Running out of things to talk about, which is why I don't do much get ready with me's, because I'm pretty basic. I don't do much. I just sit around eating hot Cheetos and dinosaur chicken nuggets and watching Netflix and chill, because I'm hashtag relatable and you should follow me because I'm just like you. I'm getting powder all over my new shirt. Guys, this is my new shirt. Let me scoot back so you can see. I went to Old Navy. Can you see? Let me stand up. I went to Old Navy like 2 days ago. Well, no, yesterday actually. This is my new shirt. It says California, California. And I went to Old Navy because they were having sales. So I went there and got 2 shirts, one like this and one that's gray like this, but it has like a mountain range here because I'm a hipster. And I got 2 of those because I really need long sleeve shirts. I think we're pretty sprayed down. Lord Jesus, I'm so thankful for so many things on my face and my face shape and my eye shape and stuff like that. But one thing I do not have is curly lashes. Like, no, I don't at all. So I ended up just doing a chapstick on my lips. I'm not really wanting to do anything with my lips. But I really hope that you like this video, and I will see you guys in my next video. If you like this video, then go ahead and give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And I'm going to be pre-filming 3 videos this week, and I want to have at least 3 videos for you guys to upload during Christmas break, so you guys have something to watch and also to keep my channel rolling. I hope that you guys like this video, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye! Oh, before I go, and may the force, may whatever be with you, honey, during finals week, because I understand the stress and I understand the emergency of it. So good luck, everyone. Keep strong and wait for my next video. Everything will be fine. Bye.